If you are thinking what to prepare for dinner tomorrow, I'm going to give you a simple idea with a very nice meal. This is a meal prep idea and also a freezable recipe. This is stuffed chicken breast with spinach and feta. For this recipe I'm using 4 chicken breasts and about 100 grams feta cheese, about 2 bunches of spinach blanched and squeeze the excess water out, and this is how it is. Then I chopped it finely. With the spinach you can actually put beetroot leaves too, and about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, oil to spray the pan, and Dijon mustard and some Tuscan seasoning or salt and pepper to your taste. I'm going to do this for 4 people, so I'm using 4 chicken breasts. So let's start. When you do this recipe, you will need filleting knife. Take the chicken breast and use the fat side to fillet. From that, fillet the chicken breast into 3. First, put the tip of the knife into the edge of the chicken breast and slice it up. And don't divide it from here. Once you open it, it will look like this. So use the knife to open a little bit further. Like this. Now close it and do a second opening again with the knife. And open it up and slowly cut it through to the end like this. Put a teaspoonful mustard onto the chicken. Spread it thoroughly. Mustard gives a nice flavor to the chicken. And after, get the feta and crumb the feta onto it like this. When you choose the feta, you can go for low salt and low fat versions. So crumb it and put it on top like this. Now get the spinach and put it on, close, and then go to the other side, then close. Now get the tray that you are going to use, spray the tray, then get the chicken, put it on top like this. And when you do the day before, the mustard and all the other flavors will go through the chicken and it will be more flavorful. When you cook chicken breast, normally it goes dry. Once you cook it like this, you will start loving to cook the chicken breast like this, and it becomes a full meal too. So let's do another one. Get the fat side and cut it. 1. Do the second one. When you pass the knife, you feel it, so don't open from this side. Leave one side not open. Slowly cut the third one and then put mustard. Spread it and then crumb the feta and add spinach. Close it, then go to the other one and crumb the feta to it too, and the spinach. I finished doing them, and now get about 2 teaspoons of mayonnaise and put on each, and after make sure to spread it evenly using a knife. So the mayonnaise give a bit of liquid and a bit of oil and flavors too to the chicken breast. So you will be amazed to see the results after baking it. You can serve this dish with a nice side salad, or as this is, or with some steamed vegetables. After spreading the mayonnaise, take the Tuscan seasoning and give a good cover to the chicken breast. It has lots of spices and salt and pepper too, so you don't need to worry about anything. What I do is I cover this and put it in fridge so it stays there about 20 hours, and after that I bake it tomorrow. So this is a really simple way of doing a meal ahead and keep it in the fridge. You can leave this like this about 2 days in the fridge after marinating. It's ready to go to the oven, 180 Celsius in a normal oven, or 160 in a fan forced oven, about 25 to 30 minutes or until well cooked. The chicken is ready after baking about 30 minutes, and let's plate it and see how it is. Once you cut it, it's really nice, filled with spinach and feta cheese, and it's a nice simple meal that you can serve with a nice colorful salad or as this is. Hope you will enjoy. See you next time.